In this video, you will learn how to add a marker to maps in WordPress. First, use a plugin. Install WordPress Google Maps plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, plugins, then add new. Search for WordPress Google Maps. Click install now, then activate it. Create a new map. After activation, go to the maps, then add new map in your dashboard. Give your map a title and configure the settings such as map size, zoom level, etc. Add a marker. On your map edit page, click add marker. Enter the location address or coordinates, longitude and latitude. You can customize the marker title, description and even its icon. Insert the map. Insert the map into a post or page. After adding the marker, click save map. Use the shortcut provided by the plugin to insert the map into your post or page. Publish. Once the map is inserted, preview the post or page to see your marker in action and click publish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.